Okay, this is going to be a demonstration of how my LG ice maker does not work. First, I want you to see that there is in fact ice in the hopper. Plenty of ice. Glass. Push in. One cube. There's another cube. There's one more cube. There's another one. Man, I'm thirsty. Okay, we have a problem. Not sure what I'm supposed to do at this point. Do I just burn up the motor? Or do I ask for a 7th service call and a 3rd brand new ice maker? It's amazing that a $3,000 refrigerator would treat you like this. We're still running. Still tooting along here. Okay. I got 3 ice cubes. And I don't think it's going to give me any more. I think you get the picture.